I didn't choose Slovenia. I was just playing football, and a former coach of Domžale, Slaviša Stojanovic, he came looking for players. So he saw me and the others playing. So he picked me and my friend Dini to come in Slovenia. I never heard of Slovenia before. Yeah, that was my first time to hear about Slovenia. The difference between Cameroonian Football League and Slovenian Football League is in Slovenia the football is a bit faster than in Cameroon. Not so difficult, but faster.
Yeah. About the quality and the work conditions, are there big differences?
Technically, yes, but physically, not so much. Yeah. I heard about Yugoslavia and when they had a war. Yeah, but Slovenia, I never heard of it. Somehow, I can't really say everything, but I like it here. It was a difficult thing and at the same time excited for them because my dream was to come to Europe to play football. So when I was selected to come to Europe, they were happy and at the same time they were scared because I was going somewhere I don't have any family. When I came here, my first thought was, how am I going to fit in the club in Domžale? But on the other hand, it was a good challenge for me.
But it was a completely different life and a totally new experience for you.
Yeah, totally new experience because I never played football with a white person before, and I never played on the normal grass before, like here. So it was quite different for me. I speak French and English, but my mother tongue, I don't speak that good. My father tongue, I don't speak that good.
You speak Slovenian.
Slovenia a little bit. Yeah, I like to communicate with the players and my friends. The first Slovenian center was Kakose, and the second one was Levo or Desno. Because in the field, when you're playing, this is the most important word. Yeah. Levo, Desno, Nazaj, Naprej.
And there wasn't any bad words.
Yeah, there were a lot of bad words that one of my friends, Junino, was teaching me. Junino, he was playing Domžale with me. Yeah, but later he said to me it's not a good word. But if I heard this word somewhere, I should just remember that it's not a good word. There are a lot of words I like. I can't really say one specifically. I can say I like football. This is the first thing I like. The life here is better as compared to when I came from. And the environment, everything is quite okay. But the one thing is there is not a lot of opportunity here, like a job, like a bigger team. But it's quite okay at the moment. Something I don't really like. I think I don't really like the snow. The winter period, I don't like that much. Yeah.
Now you're used to snow.
I'm kind of used to, but when it comes to winter, I don't really like because I don't train that good the way I used to train, and I also get injured. Yeah. The president of Slovenia now is Borut Pahor. I think it's about 2 million or more now. But when I came here, it was 2 million. Slovenian national dish. I know how they call it again. Goulash. I think Slovenian food, right? Yeah, I know goulash. I listen to a lot of music here, but I don't quite know the difference but I know just Bosnian a little bit, the difference. But in Slovenian music, I don't really know the difference between Slovenia, Croatia, and the Bosnian at the same time. The difference between Slovenian people is they're a little bit close. They like to be just within them. Yeah. And they're a bit afraid when someone's like a foreigner came close to them to communicate. They're a little bit shy. And also the about the foreigners, like let's say black people, we like to associate with people we don't know. Yeah, we like to talk to people we don't know. We like to learn more from people we don't understand them. I don't think it's really that different. Yeah, I know a few Cameroonians that live here. Yeah.
How many do you think are living here in Slovenia? How many Cameroonians?
The one who play football or the one who don't play football? In general. In general.
Yes.
I think we are about 8 now. The one I know. Maybe they're in Moscow, Sobota, maybe they're in Koper, I don't see those ones. But the one I know are around Ljubljana, I think like 8. Yeah. First, I'll take them to Prešeren, I'll take them to Bohinj, I'll take them to Piran. Yeah. I think I'll take them around the mountainside. Yeah. Because we usually don't go on a mountain. We just go to the farm and home. I think it's the dancing when I went to club. The way they're dancing is a bit funny for me. Because some of the people who dance, they don't follow the rhythm of the music. They just jump around, It seems like they don't even listen to the music. Their moves are not really corresponding with the music. I have my nickname called Valley Goal. Valley Goal. It's always behind my t-shirt. Yeah. But my friend, they call me Valley. Gode. I have a few nicknames. Some call me Valley, some call me Valley, some call me Gode. Yeah. No, I live in a house with my owner. Yeah, I don't have a roommate. Yeah, I miss her. But not that much because I kind of have a family here now. The people I live here with are like my family. Yeah. But I miss my people back there. Yeah, because it's a quite different feeling when you're here and there. Since I came here, I went just last year. Last year I was in Cameroon. It's not easy just to go and come back, especially you don't have the money. Because it's quite expensive to get a ticket before the living down there. Everything is, you need some amount of money. I communicate through phone, sometimes through Skype or Facebook, something like that. Yeah, but it's a bit expensive. Yeah, it's hard because down there we don't have a good network for the internet, you know. But on the phone, it's good, but it's expensive. Let's not go there because I also have a lot, you know. At times I pay €100, at times I pay 120. You know. When I really need to talk to my family, when I miss them that much, I need to talk to everyone because I have nieces and nephews. I need to talk to them. They need to say hi to me, you know, to hear my voice. So it costs me a lot. Also, my country is a nice place. A lot of good people. A lot of touristic sightseeing. And you can see something like, how can I say it? Like some different kind of food, or because we have a lot of food down there, different kind that they don't have here. It's so interesting. With the money here, if you live down in Cameroon, you live a better life. But here, not so good because it's kind of expensive. Because when you convert a euro to my currency down there, it's more. So if you want to buy something for €1 here, you can buy like 3 things for €1 down there.
Very big difference in prices.
Yeah, quite different. Sure, I will accept it. I never tried to go towards that direction. My goal is to play one of the biggest clubs because that was always my dream. And I hope one day I'm going to achieve it. Due to the circumstances in Slovenia, it's not easy just to go to a club like that. You know, you need a manager, you need a connection, you know, and also foreigners that want to play here, like Bosnian, Serbian, and I think they give priority first to the people close to home. You know, so people like we are really far away, you need time to get into the club. Or you have a good manager or a good connection. This is also better. We can put it like that, but I'll never be a Slovenian because I'm a black.
It's just the color of skin.
Yeah, I know. As they said, there is no black Slovenian. You can have the citizenship. Yeah, Slovenia on the piece of paper, but you're not a born Slovenian.
Skin color.
Sometimes when you go to the nightclub, you have some problem with some people that are drunk. But when they're not drunk, they're okay. But when they're drunk, they're not okay. So that's the only place I think I have problem. I was watching the Eurobasket. Yeah. Sturgis. I've been there. I watched Eurobasket, I think, 2 games. Yeah. It was interesting because I never watched basketball live. Yeah.
Do you have any other plans to see anything else? Maybe ice hockey or something like that? Ski jumping?
Yeah, I think I watched also ice hockey, but like when I was in Domžale 4 years ago. Yeah, I watched ice hockey. My first time to came in Ljubljana, I came to watch ice hockey in Tivoli. Yeah.
Did you like it?
Wow, it was good because it's very fast. Yeah. Yeah. But it's also not a peaceful sport because that day some players were fighting. And you see a lot of blood there.
That's normal for ice hockey.
Yeah, I was surprised because I never watched something like that before.
Nobody told you about that.
No. Slovenian girls, I think they're quite okay. that friendly, that shy, sometimes. Yeah, for every person that watched this, I would like to say I'm really happy to be on Equipa today, and I'm looking forward to be on Equipa all the time, and I hope they will come to watch me play someday.